Hi everyone, welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa, I am the Crafty Author, and welcome to my quilting studio. So today I had planned on working on our pinwheel quilt. However, I am having like the worst day ever. So everything that I touch has turned to crap. Everything that I'm trying to do is just, there's an obstacle thrown up no matter where I go and what I do. So I'm not even going to touch the quilt because I'm afraid that if I do, I'll just create more problems with it. So what I thought I would do is share with you some happy mail that I have, and then also show you what I'm really excited about that I got over the weekend. So I'm going to go ahead and just do that and show you. I will show you the quilt as well, the way I have it laid out on the wall so that you can see that. If you're still working on your pinwheel quilt, that's great. Continue to do that. And I promise that we will move on to that next week. But today, it just isn't going to happen. All right, I'm going to switch over and show you how it looks now. So this is what I have laid out so far on the quilt wall. Don't mind the dog and cat bed there. Anyway, I made 40 of these 12-inch by 12-inch squares. And when I put it all up here, it was extremely large. Now, I did put up a poll asking what I should do as far as the quilt, if I should make it the full size or if I should make it shorter and then put a border around it. And the general consensus was that you all really wanted me to make it the full length and put a border around it that way. However, this is a quilt for a friend that is going to be going to chemo treatments, and I want her to be able to take this quilt along with her. And I feel like if I make it the 96 inches long, that's just going to be really too long for her to take along with her. So I am only going to do 6 rows down and 5 across. Let me make sure that's correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is correct. So I just wanted to give you that update. Now I have this all put together here. All I need to do is start sewing the rows together, and then we'll have a quilt top, and then I'm going to add a border around it, and then we will put it on the long arm and start finishing it. Let me know down below in the description box if you want to watch the full process of loading it on the long arm and quilting it, because I think that would be kind of fun to do. Okay, so it's been a while since we've done this, but I am super excited to do it today. So I ordered this a couple of weeks ago and it came in, and I have not shared it, but I should. I am so excited about this, because growing up as a little girl, I absolutely loved Laura Ingalls Wilder and Little House on the Prairie. And this is the kit for Laura's Log Cabin Quilt. It comes with this keepsake box and all of the beautiful fabrics to make that beautiful quilt right there. I am super excited. I did put out, I think it was on Instagram, asking if anybody was interested in doing this as a sew along with me. And I would like to do this kind of separate from the channel. So we would do this more like I would set up like a private group and we would do it that way. So let me know down below in the comment section if that's something that you're interested in doing. If not, I totally understand. I did get this from that quarter shop, so I will link to that down below in the description box. This is the fabric that I got for the back. Yeah, I did. I got these all at that quarter shop. So this is the backing. This is 108-inch wide backing because I hate piecing backing. So I try to make things as easy as possible as I can for myself. So I got that one. I finally broke down and bought myself a new ruler. So the other rulers that I've had that are 24 inches long, I've had them since I started quilting. What's that, 30 some years ago. So it was time because my rulers all have nicks on the side, and that makes it kind of hard when you're trying to cut, you know, a straight line with a rotary cutter and you're all along in there. So this is new. I love it. I have been having fun using it. Also, I got a new stiletto. This is the byannie.com stiletto. I love this one. It doesn't move when I'm trying to hold down my fabric. It actually stays in place. Some of the ones that twist on and off, like what I have, don't stay very well. Also, this end of it is a seam press. So you can actually press your seams down with that. And let me tell you, it works terrific because I have done it. Next, this is what I'm really the most excited for. Okay, so I got my hands on the new Tula Pink fabric line. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I am loving it. This is Wolf of Pink Street. That's what this is called. It is a gorgeous fabric. So pretty. Then I got this one. So this is the one in charcoal. Same print, just in charcoal. Absolutely gorgeous. What I'd like to do with these prints is make some more running with scissors bags and out of these, and then put them up for sale so that you guys, if you're interested in getting one, then you can, because I love making those bags. This is for my mom. My mom wanted this as her Christmas gift, so I bought the charcoal wolves that she picked out. She picked out her own Christmas gift. And I'm going to quilt it on the long arm as just a whole cloth quilt. So I'll do quilting with that. And then she picked this very soft, very cute polka dot minky backing to go with it. And it does match. It's adorable. So I'm excited to do that and then wrap that up for Christmas. We have another print. This one has polar bears on it. Now, I didn't buy every fabric that's in here, but I didn't buy the sea lions and I didn't get the the puffins. Just because, well, I was running out of money. So I was like, I need to stop buying fabric because I already have so much fabric. This one is like my favorite. I think that is so pretty. Oh, I'm sorry. It's upside down. Sorry about that. And the spots for the leopard are flowers. I don't know if you can see that up close, but they are gorgeous. Oh, I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. And then, that's not all, but wait, there's more. We have some more. So this is the leopard in charcoal. And the spots on this one are in hearts and stars. It's so cute. I swear her fabric is just so stinking cute. I'm obsessed with it. Just obsessed, I tell ya. Okay. This is coordinating fabric that goes with, and you can see here how that kind of goes together with all of this. It all coordinates. I mean, all of it. So it's really, really great. And then I got the darker one too, the darker stripes, because they're really cool. They're very cool. I got 4 yards of this. You can see. It just pulls it and makes these colors just pop like you would not believe. Love it. This one, though, is like my favorite because I love polka dots. Or as I like to call them, pokey dots. I always call them pokey dots because, well, they look like pokey dots to me. Anyway, so I love these, and I just love the way that it coordinates with everything. And, oh my goodness, it's so cute. I'm just saying, it is so stinking cute. So there's that haul. And I am waiting for my website to be completed. I have a new company that I've started, and it is going to be called The Quilted Tea by the Crafty author. And I will be offering customized t-shirt quilting services and other custom services. And so I'm kind of gearing up for that, and so things have been really crazy since I've started that project. It's taken me several months to get pricing down, photos, the whole 9 yards. So it's quite the undertaking, and I am not building the website myself this time. I am having somebody do it for me, thank goodness. So so I'm waiting for that, but I've also been doing quite a bit of customized embroidery designs for clients. And as you know, I've shown you some of that. So I finally decided to just kind of jump in and purchase the big cones of isocord thread for my 10 needle machine. So this is what I went and picked up today. And so I got these in several different colors. I think I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 of these big cones. And then I got the magnetic, the Quiltech magnetic core bobbins. Now I use these in my long arm, and I also use them in my 10 needle. But these have the magnet side on them, and they just pop right in. I love them. So the black ones, I believe, I ordered some colored ones too, because like I said, I love to use these in my long arm machine. And I will also be using some of these as well. My long arm, for some reason, loves isocord thread. So I stick with it. Whatever works, I go with it. So these are the white ones. You can see that they have that magnetic piece there. Oh, hi, Petey. Petey wanted to come and say hi to everyone. Didn't you, buddy? And then I went ahead and got some of this as well. Some of these isocord threads. I have a wholesale account with them, so that's what I did, is I just placed a wholesale order, and that's how I was able to get this. I'm also going to be applying for a wholesale license with byannie.com, and that way we can I can put her products on my website and sell them to you if you're interested in that for bag making. So just to kind of just give more options for you guys. So that is it for me today. I have had every obstacle thrown at me today. So like I said, I'm done. Anyway, if you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video if you do, because sharing is caring. Also, don't forget to click the little bell to get notified each and every time that I upload an awesomely cool new video. And the more you interact with my videos, the more they get seen. And so I really, really appreciate that, because viewership has been very low lately on YouTube. I think they've changed the algorithm again. And keep on crafting. I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.